I made cooking cream today. So I'm using half cup of powdered milk and 1 cup of water. I'll mix it together till there is no more lumps. So I decided to make pasta today. So I don't have cooking cream. I rarely use it. So now to make the cornstarch slurry, we need 1 tablespoon of cornstarch and water, just a little water, then mix together. So as I was saying, I wanted to make pasta and I needed to add cooking cream and I don't have. We put your butter in a hot pan on a low heat. When the butter has melted, then you go in with your milk, your liquid milk already mixed. Then you continue stirring till it starts to boil. When it starts boiling like this, then you go in with your cornstarch slurry. So as I was saying, I couldn't buy the cooking cream because it's really expensive and I just need a little. So I tried to make mine at home. So this is just the process. It's very easy to make. You continue stirring it on a low heat. I think the heat here is kind of high. So make sure you do yours on a very low heat and stir continuously. To be honest, after the whole thing, you can decide to blend your own or whisk it. I think I eventually whisked. I used a whisk to whisk it, but it wasn't really smooth. So you can use blender definitely to achieve the smooth texture. But I think here, to be honest, I wasn't in the mood because I was about to use it anyway. So I didn't bother to blend it at all. So you can blend your own to get the smooth texture. So this is it. I'm already done here. I think I got a cup of cooking cream with half cup of milk. That's fair and that's better. So you can, I'll drop the recipe, the pasta recipe up here. Yeah, I'll drop it here so you can watch and try it out. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.